Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Now in today's video we have another unboxing video. So it's for Christmas and we have two planes. So before I start, make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started. So first model we'll be unboxing is a 1400 NG model, Boeing 757-200, and the airline is Tajik Air. And this is one of the aircraft that I wish listed. So yeah, it looks pretty good, it looks pretty solid. There's a little tear here, but I don't think there should be any problem. Anyway, let's unbox it. I think the packaging's a little strong. Yeah, there must be some tape here, but I don't think that should be a problem. Should just be able to cut through it. Okay. Get it all clear, get it all out of the way, and here we are. Okay, so you can already see the bottom. Oh, here's the top. Here's the top of the plane. You can kind of see the bottom as well. That's a good design. Oh, you can see the logo too. Actually, you can see the entire aircraft pretty much. Let's get a good view of it. Ah, there we go. And out it is. Looked absolutely great, guys. Look. You can see it has all the accurate models of the real life Tajik Air, and yeah, this airline is the flag carrier of Tajikistan. It looks very good. There's no flaws in it whatsoever. Yeah, very detailed, very nice and accurate. That's a good jet. That's a good aircraft. Now the next plane. Our next plane is a once I move this all out of the way. Here's the next plane. It's an Aero Classics 1400. Okay guys, sorry about the interruption, but anyway, here's our second unboxing. So this is, as I said again, of Vladivostok Airlines, and it's a Russian aircraft. It is a Tupolev Tu-154, yep. And yeah, packaging looks good. You can actually see the aircraft. Yeah, let's open it. Oh, you can actually see, you can even see a model of it. So I think this is what it should look like when I open it. This one has a little bit lighter packaging. Okay, here we go. This is actually my first Russian airline, so I don't think I have any others. I mean, like not like airline, not aircraft, because if we're talking aircraft, I have like two others. So no, three others. Yeah, let's open this up. And I also had in Uzbekistan. I had like a Herpa. I think if you remember from one of my older unboxing videos, I also unboxed like a Uzbekistan Airlines. Here we go. So I unboxed the Uzbekistan Airlines, and that too was also pretty good as well. Here we are. Same 1/400 scale. Yep, just like what we saw in the box. I think this is a special livery. Well, I can't read. It has like a name here. Oh no, never mind. I think that's the name of the airline. Here it is. Looks very good. Complete intact, very good livery. It's also very accurate and descriptive. It's really good. Anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let's just show the aircraft here. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want these aircraft, actually they're pretty easy to find. This one is on eBay, and I think it's about 20 yeah, this one's on eBay. And I think this one you can just do a Google search and go to the shopping, and you'll be able to find something that's similar to this. But yeah, anyway guys, I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.